Sawadika. Hi everyone. Today let's make Gluay Ping, which is basically grilled bananas drizzled with sweet coconut cream sauce. This is the easiest recipe ever because today we'll be using a convection oven. But traditionally, we grill it on top of a griller or just on top of charcoals. Let's get started. Here are our ingredients. We have coconut cream, palm sugar syrup. This is basically dissolved palm sugar, sugar, salt, pandan leaves, and Saba bananas. These are called Gluay Nam Wa in Thai, and it's Saba bananas or Pisang Awak from where I'm from. Your bananas should be in the middle, not too ripe and not underripe. This color right here is the color that you're looking for, just in the middle. Today I'll be using a round convection oven like this. Place them whole in the oven, cover with lid for 20 minutes at 200 Celsius. While we wait, let's start making the coconut cream sauce by combining all of the ingredients in the pot first before turning on the stove. This is very important because you don't want to burn your coconut cream. When everything is in, turn on the stove to the lowest heat setting and give this a good stir. Stir until everything is well dissolved. It will start to thicken, but don't let it thicken all the way because it will still continue to set when it is out of the heat. The consistency of the sauce should be like this. The time is up. We are now going to flip them onto the other side. We are going to let this cook for another 10 minutes at the same temperature, which is 200 Celsius. The time is up. We can then remove them from the oven. Now for a very important step. This right here is really the secret to a tasty grilled banana. You need to smash them gently like this. This is because the bananas will turn slightly tough when you grill them, so smashing them like this makes it softer and more enjoyable to eat. We are then going to cut them into bite-sized pieces. And this is our Gluay Ping. Smells so good, and let's dig in. It's sweet and the banana is so good. You need to try this. This is not overly sweet. It's so well balanced. You got the sweet and the salty. And if you're ever thinking of making something new for your dessert, why not this recipe? Thank you for watching. See you next time in the next Thai recipe video. Bye bye.